guys, so today we are going to be doing DIY alcohol inks. I do have a video that I have done on this a few years ago, but it's super long and kind of annoying, and there is lots of entertaining comments on it, so it was time to do a redo. Also, P.S. don't worry about my weird facial coloring. Just got back from a week-long holiday and I'm kind of tanned / burnt. I'm not a makeup artist. Just never mind. Please, thank you. So at the end of this video, I'm going to post a link on how I painted with these exact alcohol inks, so make sure you watch for that. Now let's get started. For this DIY, you will need perhaps some paper towel, definitely some rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, 91%. You will need an empty spray bottle that you can use, pliers, and definitely some Sharpies. All right, so I have these here just to show you that I've made these, and I use them all the time, and they work great. I will link to a video that I used a lot of them in a mural, and it worked out really great. I've used them for lots of things, but I will link to that mural. It was an 8x8 foot wall that I did. You also may want some gloves. I don't, because working with gloves, crafting with gloves drives me crazy. I do wear gloves in the winter time for snow. I do not wear gloves when I'm crafting, and yes, I get it all over my hands, and no, I do not care. We are going to take this, open this up. So this is, you can use any kind of spray bottle, and I just have this empty one that I'm going to use, and you're going to really just wrench this off of here. It does take a little bit of effort. There we go. And I have perfected this, I think. So I thought I would finally do a video. Take the nib out, put that in there as well. Might as well. Stick it in there. And this is not garbage. Fill this up. Use a funnel so that you don't spill alcohol everywhere. And no, I am not drinking any of this alcohol, as one of my commenters in the last video suggested that maybe I was, but I can understand why someone would think that I had, because I was all over the place in that video. Before you use this alcohol ink, you will want to let it sit for at least 12 hours. And I'm just going to keep that felt in there, just because why take it out? And there you go. There's your alcohol ink. So much faster than the 20 minutes that I used to do before. And here are some quick things I painted just with the DIY alcohol inks that I just made. And there's this one that's kind of, it's hair, and it's just a little bit more of a wispy type feel. And then I did the same sketch, and that is more of a kind of just letting the alcohol inks interact more naturally with them, with each other. Whereas this one I really used the dryer to get more of a light effect. And I just did different colors. And then I also used, just for anyone that's interested, chalk and cream pastels from Jane Davenport. And I'll put the link there for this if you want, or if you're interested in watching how I did this portrait. And then this one here is a mermaid tail, and I also used silver mixative for that as well. So I'll put the link for that right there. I hope you try making these alcohol inks, and then go ahead and experiment with them, and you can make all sorts of things. And definitely check out my other videos where I've painted with them.